You still have that spray?
Alright, going up 12. Strong, but that's good. early. Skin is skinning. I did my skincare routine. Give you guys a rundown of today, what I am up to today. Okay, so I am on my way to get my lashes done. I feel like I gave my eyes a good break from the lashes. Going back to my original lady, because you guys know the last time I got that chemical burn in my eye and I did not appreciate that. During my lashes, I'm going to my nail appointment. I'm really into like minimalist nails now. Before I was like, I love like the flash and the different colors, but I want to keep it simple and just very elegant. My lips are super dry. I forgot my chapstick at home. I'm so disappointed in myself. I woke up in such a good mood. You ever just wake up, energy is amazing. I just feel light. I feel good. I feel like I'm just in a really good place right now. We gotta keep this going. Surrounded by the right energy, it shows. It absolutely shows. You know, working on rebranding myself, on my business, working on my social media, also working on losing weight. So I am starting this new calorie deficit. So I have the meals that I'm gonna be making. I'm super motivated to lose the weight. I've been going to the gym almost every morning. It definitely has changed a lot. I think that has also helped with my mood too and my anxiety. You know, a few weeks ago, I was suffering bad from anxiety. I just was, oh my gosh, it just felt like a constant cloud was over me of why did you come over in this lane if you won't go just as slow? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you. You have a good day. So the lashes are lashing. Why she do such a good job? What? See? You know why she do a good job? Because she's ensuring that I come back only to her, which is she has sealed her fate. She snapped. Kind of crunchy. So put my, you know, nail appointment for 2 o'clock, which is only 11:30, so I have 2.5 hours to kill. Now I'm about to go back home then, and I'm actually about to make my list because I want to cook a nice dinner. I'm getting back into cooking. Life of a bachelorette. We don't cook. Okay, well, at least I don't. A lot of grocery stores don't cater to, you know, single people. It's always a family of 4 or more. And then the food ends up going bad. It's just a lot, and I looked online. There was these 2 TikTok ladies that had a hair growth oil. So what I did, took a little of some of one ingredient and then other ingredients from the other girl, and I combined to make hopefully my like super growth hair oil. As you can see, earlier in the week I made it, and that is best if you let it sit for like a few weeks, a couple days to a few weeks. I let it sit for a couple days. I would love for it to grow my hair out waist length. So anyway, go home, make my grocery list, go get the groceries, and then by the time, you know, I drop the groceries back off home, I should be able to go. I also have to get something to eat, so I'm hungry, but I didn't want anything from Starbucks. I didn't want any other food. None of it looked appealing. So I'm not gonna figure out when I go home. Are we gonna go?
And then you can find out the tea. I'm just really discriminating against white hair, but you can find out in person.
Good morning. Welcome. All my gloves. Sasha, why would you hit the camera like that? It's gonna apply it all over. I'm excited to try this. It smells familiar. I don't know, it smells familiar. I'm gonna leave it on majority of the day. Put this all over. Massage my evenly distributed through my hair. You guys know we're Irish twins, right? 11 months apart. Let that sink in. Yeah, I'll give you a minute. Okay, let's take these. Cheers. Okay, so I kind of sprinkled. Oh gosh, now I gotta do that.
That's so hard.
There you go.
It was good. I was choking on a seed.
So now I'm gonna go shower, wash out my hair, do my wash and go. And you guys have already seen several times how I do my wash and go, so I don't need to record this time, but I'm going to pick back up when I start to do my makeup.
Mine doing her makeup, but she was supposed to do a smoky eye on me.
A new oil thing.
Yeah, trying to grow it out.
Yeah, I try and grow mine out.
I
So I'm
just
trying
cut it.
this new oil method.
Yeah.
It's supposed to grow your hair, like I want it to my waist.
Trying to grow it out. I just cut mine. Oh, look on Brittany.
My hair is done. I'm about to go film and get ready with me for TikTok. And I will see you guys back with the finished result, okay?
Here to here.
Okay, so this is the makeup for tonight. It's done, it's finished. So now I'm about to assist this girl with her makeup that came to me barefaced. And the event started at 7 and it's 7:15 and it's a 44-minute drive. So I will be back. Into my vlog. I had so much fun. And you do that. All right, fine. So I was clearly they want me to be done, so I'm gonna be done.
Look, listen. We out here. We out here. Bring her into this. I look better than her. I just want y'all to know that. Put that on the blog.
I will see you guys in the next vlog.